Hello, my name is Lisa Jagu. I am a pharmacist in Uganda and I've been practicing for the past 7 years. Yes, 7. I've worked in a general hospital for a year and a specialized hospital that was dealing in fertility for another year, and now I'm focused in community pharmacy. It is where my passion is. It is where my heart beats for. My passion for the community has led me to set up my own pharmacy, and it has left me so fulfilled. So if you're there, young pharmacist or just anybody, and you'd like to set up your own pharmacy, I'm here to give you the ins and outs of how to go about it, what are the challenges involved, what are the questions that need to be answered before you enter this venture. You're welcome. The first thing to consider is location. Location matters a lot. If you get the location wrong, irrespective of how well or how beautiful you set up your business, it's not going to work. You need to be situated in a place where there are other supporting businesses. Supporting businesses include supermarkets, other health centers, and a place where there's not so much competition. But even if there is competition, what will make you stand out is my number 2, your customer care. The quality of care you give determines your customer retention. Customers love people that give them attention, that give them time, and someone who has a health challenge is already emotionally disturbed. So your pharmacy should have people and staff that are hired professionally. Don't just go and get someone that someone recommended. Conduct an interview. Listen to how they communicate. Ask them leading questions. Ask them about how they would handle a client if the client was quarrelsome, if the client was difficult. Ask questions so that you can get a quality staff. Number 3, think about your capital. You have to have enough capital to push you for 3 months or 6 months or even a year in some instances, because contrary to what people think, the pharmacy business does not pick up immediately. There's so many costs involved. There's so many issues to handle in between those periods, and therefore you must have enough cash flow to push you until your business is strong enough to stand. Picture your business like a baby. You don't overload your baby or overwork your baby on the first day. You give your baby time to develop, to mature, to become strong before you start profiting. Maybe you've entered this business thinking that you're just going to make lots of money, because that's what most people think. Well, they hear that pharmacy business is profitable and they come in with all this list of expectations thinking that they're going to start reaping on day 1. But just like a baby, it's like a garden. When you plant the seed, you wait for a time before that seed yields profit. So in the same manner, your pharmacy is going to need time to develop, and you are going to have to be very patient, managing your expectations and your emotions as you allow this baby time to grow and develop into the full potential that it has to offer. The misconception that most people have is that you need a lot of money to start this business. I am here to encourage you. Start with what you have, and then you grow from there, and then you expand from there. Don't let what your budget is limit you. Step out, venture out, be positive. You can do it. I believe in you. Another thing that is so important when you're starting the pharmacy business is a pharmacist, and the name of the pharmacy business says it already. How can you get a pharmacist? All you need to do is to call Pharmaceutical Society of Uganda, and their numbers are on their website, and ask them, may we have a pharmacist? And you'll have a pharmacist in no time. Thank you for watching. Keep posted for more videos like these. Follow us on our channel. We'll be happy to hear from you. See you next time.